Last Friday, the Sensex index claimed the momentous 60,000 mark and marched ahead to hit a record high level of 60,333. Nifty 50 also touched a new all-time high of 17,948. The BSE barometer climbed the latest 10,000 points in just 246 days, while it gained the last 5,000 points in just 42 days. Going forward, while expensive valuations, a cautious global mood amid Evergrande crisis, and a possibility of a third COVID wave may trigger mild profit booking in days ahead, most analysts remain optimistic and suggest a market correction, if any, should be bought into from a medium to long-term perspective. On tech charts, the Sensex index looks all set to add another 1,000 points in the next 5 sessions.
The last week, BSE Sensex touched 60,000 mark, a sentimental breakthrough that will see higher levels in the current week. Technically, we expect Sensex to touch 61,000. It could even see 61,250 levels with a support of 59,500. For Nifty 50, we expect it to scale towards 18,000, 18,100 levels and continue to trade in the overbought category of various technical indicators, having a support of 17,750. For both the indices, Sensex and Nifty, we expect them to trade with a strong, firm bullish bias, and technically, market participants are expected to take keen interest in this upcoming rally.
Fundamentally, the first half of this week will be guided by global cues where investors will track developments around Evergrande Group. The second half will be driven by domestic triggers. To know more, we spoke to Ajit Mishra, who is Vice President of Research at Religare Broking.
So it was a roller coaster ride for the equity markets in the passing week as the benchmark swung on both sides and finally settled with a gain of over 1.5%. And importantly, Sensex tested a new milestone of 60,000 and Nifty also inched closer to the 18,000 mark. So the ease in the China's Evergrande crisis and no negative surprises from the US Fed largely boosted the sentiments. And in the coming week will mark the beginning of the new month also, and participants will be eyeing the monthly auto sales data and Nikkei manufacturing PMI data during the week. And talking about the markets, we expect the prevailing buoyancy to continue, and we expect Nifty to test 18,100 mark next week. However, since we have already seen a sharp surge across the board, we recommend maintaining extra caution in the stock selection and continuing with buy on dips approach.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.